Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Solo Stove has made its line of outdoor fire pits more versatile with an adapter for using pellets to create that roaring fire to sit around or even cook on. The company's product marketing manager is Ty Hancock.
Really what it allows you to do is have a stoke-free, a maintenance-free flame for up to 2+ hours if you fill your fire pit all the way up with pellets. So instead of stoking the logs and tending the fire, it's kind of more of a set and forget type of fire. And I say forget hesitantly because we always recommend people are vigilant around their fires, but it's a hands-off type of burn.
Solo Stove gear is durable with a lifetime warranty on every product. Find more at solostove.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at Sea Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.